All right, everybody, let's take a look at how Bitcoin is doing trading this Saturday evening. What I like about this community is I like sharing my insights about what's happening with Bitcoin. So please click the like button so more people can see this video if you learn something from it. So if we're looking at the yearly chart on Bitcoin, you can see that it had a high at 66,000 and right now it's 39,000. It really seems as though there is no really bullish case to make from Bitcoin. There's just been a lot of selling, and this is when there was talk about how people in Ukraine and in Russia were starting to buy Bitcoin. So people thought maybe the Bitcoin trade is back. Let's go back to a month trade. You can see that's a very sharp move up, and I did not buy here because I just didn't really feel that there's much confirmation here, and it also ran into the old resistance here around the 44. So it really seemed as though Bitcoin is going to have trouble getting above this. So if it gets really a lot further above this, I think that it might indicate that the bullish case is there. But if we look at this, this is really not looking good. It looks like selling, and historically, when a stock really tests the resistance many times, it seems as though it eventually you get more people selling, because if you think about it, people are starting to say, oh crap, this thing is not going to go back up again. And so I have a feeling from here it probably will be selling further. This is not really a time, this does not look bullish when you look at it on the 5-day chart. It looks like a lot of selling, and people like these kind of moves. This looks like either liquidation or people just getting scared, or like, oh crap, this thing is not going up. Like this, there's a little bit move up here, and I would assume that the selling will resume. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. It's pretty much the same case. If we look at it from the yearly, it reached a high here at 4776, and just been non-stop selling, and this is not a very bullish pattern whatsoever. There's really no bullish case to make on either cryptocurrency, Bitcoin or Ethereum. And a lot of this is really due to the Federal Reserve saying that they'll raise interest rates, because that increases the value of the dollar, and that tends to really hurt cryptocurrencies because there just isn't really a bullish case to make. I mean, that's one reason why crypto does tend to go up when the Federal Reserve basically starts money printing. Basically, in 2020, the Federal Reserve basically said, we're going to print an unlimited amount of money, and look at that move up. Then this is here, they started saying, well, we're going to start raising interest rates, and we really don't know where the bottom is because the Federal Reserve hasn't backtracked, so there really isn't a bullish case to be made. I think that sadly it's probably a lot further down. So if you are in Bitcoin and Ethereum, you might want to consider selling, because the truth is the prices might not be improving. They might actually be getting worse, and I will not be buying at the moment. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and look forward to hearing what you think about Bitcoin. Are you buying it? I'm not, but I would like to hear your view either way. See you in the next video.